Our Juliet Moon, you get the best recipe. Our Juliet Moon, you get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones, subscribe.
Good day everyone, good day wherever you are. Today we are making potato carrot fufu. I'm mixing the two together. The two are so important, they are healthy. Potato and carrot, they are so healthy. Potato are an excellent source of vitamin C. Has potassium, fiber, B vitamin, copper, magnesium. Potato help treat inflammation in the body and boost immune system and help blood circulation. Potato is very good for the body, okay? It's very, very good. We have carrot, okay? Carrot is very good, it's healthy. Okay, carrots boost eye vision. It helps manage good eyesight and night vision. Carrot is very good, and it helps weight loss too. Okay, thank you everyone. Let me start peeling the potatoes. Okay. If you love fufu, you can still do it the way I'm doing it now. Okay, potato is very good for the body. The potato has been washed. Okay, I washed the carrot already. Okay, and it will be easy for me to blend. Okay. Let me put this here.
Go hungry the best. Fill your eyes with the best.
Now I'm done slicing it, okay?
The best recipe. Oh.
Now I'm going to blend it. As you can see, I didn't add water inside, okay? I'm going to blend it without water, okay? Now I'm going to drill the water, okay? Maybe we'll need the water later if the potato, carrot, fufu is too strong. Maybe we'll need the water.
Subscribe.
Okay. Let's see. Our potato, carrot, fufu. Wow. Let me just leave it for 2 minutes to drill, okay? Okay, as you can see, I drilled it already. Look at the water I got from the potato and carrot, okay? Maybe I will need water later, okay? Let's go and turn it. Made the way we want. Now we are going to turn it. Wow, it's really beautiful. Just look at the orange color.
Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Share to your love.
This is nice.
Yeah. Juliet. Juliet.
We'll just leave it a little to cook. Okay.
When you come to Juliet's home, go hungry the best. Fill your eyes with the best. The best recipe. Oh, yeah. Oh, share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.
Try and be turning it often so that the fufu will not get burnt, okay? As you can see, it's very strong now. Wow. Try this, my beautiful ones. You know I love this fufu. It's very, very healthy and it's natural, okay? Very healthy and natural. When you are eating it, you will know what you are eating. That is it. Now the fufu is ready. It's ready to swallow. Wow, this is great. This is great. Wow, as you can see, my potato carrot fufu is ready. Can you see the smoke is coming out? Yummy, yummy. Thank you, my beautiful ones. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Bye.
Juliet, you get the best recipe. Juliet home, you get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones. Subscribe.